to hear this. So the Vraja gopis are actually teaching that they say if someone's actually kushala, they'll agree with the gopis that service to Krishna, Krishna seva, which means Madhava seva, is true. So Dharma must have as its goal a pleasurable end. So the end of Dharma is pleasure. That's why Christians and everyone says, oh, if you're a good whatever religionist, then you go to heaven or whatever, some happy place, joyful place where thousands of friends or thousands of family members or ladies or whatever, I don't know, different religions have different ideas of the good result of Dharma. So this Dharma must have it as its goal, the pleasurable end. That's the beauty about Bhakti Dharma, or this Atma Dharma, because our sadhana is our sadhya. Our sadhana, our practice of bhakti, is the same as the goal, the sadhya. So we hear and chant about Krishna, and the more attentively and purely and with a hankering mood and blessings of Vaishnavas, we hear and chant about Krishna, we feel a pleasurable sensation. We feel inner satisfaction, and maybe possibly even joy and bliss. When one at the stage of bhav, he laughs, he cries, he runs here and there. This is the Goshta, and Raghunath Das Goswami tells us to always remember and have what is it? Ratim apurva matitaram. We should have excessive rati and love for Guru Goshte Goshtalishu, the first verse of Manashiksha. So Goshtalishu means, Goshtalia means that alaya means that house or that place which is full of sounds. The word Goshta means sounds. So we say Ishta Goshti. Have you heard this? Must be, no. So that means people get together and make sounds. It means language, speak about the Ishtadev. So this is Braj Goshta. So as soon as one sound finishes, another sound begins.